To ask why we fight is to ask why the leaves fall. It is in their nature. Perhaps there is a better question. The true question is, what is worth fighting for?
Raise up, Argent Crusaders! The hour of justice has come!
Watch as the world around you collapse. They stand alive before the lands, and they do not fear.
No more, Arthas! No more lives will be consumed by your hatred!
My old enemy, you cannot hide from me, no matter what form you choose to wear. Let your true self be revealed. Diablo.
This wretched light must be eradicated! Destroyer, the end of all things. Inevitable, indomitable, I am the Cataclysm!
I've been waiting, and when the time is right, the betrayer will become the betrayed.
Is this it, mortals? Is this all the fury you can muster? You are nothing.